Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can remove both wheels on your EUFY RoboVac 11S if you want to clean them. They might have become completely clogged with hair. So we're going to turn the EUFY upside down and we're going to turn it off if it isn't off already. Make sure it's off there. We're going to take off the side brushes and we have 4 screws here and 4 screws here. Obviously, to begin with, see if you can just remove the hair from here with some tweezers, because it will save you then taking it apart. But if you can't and you want to take all this out to get rid of all the hair from down in here and the dust and dirt, then you can do it quite easily. So we're going to undo the 4 screws here and the 4 screws here. Just go in counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. And they're just Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips 0 bit on here, but a small crosshead will do the job. When all the screws are out, just get yourself a blunt, flat object like a blunt knife and just gently work your way around and just prise up. It is on a spring, but you can see that it does pop up here. And we can undo the spring from the bottom. In fact, the spring's just come off. And we have a little connector here with the wires feeding it. You find it much easier if you do undo the connector. So obviously be very gentle. So this is your little connector here. And we're just going to pull down gently on the wires and give it a little wiggle. There you go. You can see there was no force needed there. And this is your motor and wheel assembly here, so you can give everything a nice good clean. You can see that you may well be all clogged up with hair and dust in these parts here. So this will give you an opportunity to turn the wheel and give it all a nice good clean all the way around here, and make sure that there's nothing fouling in this bit here. So get rid of all the hair. And it will give you an opportunity to clean all in here, because you're going to find that there's loads of dust and dirt. This is all clean at the moment, but you will find that your one is covered in dust and dirt. Now let's do the same over this side here. So we're just going to be using the knife again just to pry out from here and around here. Be careful of the sensor there. And lift it out. There you go. The spring again was on there, and it will give you an opportunity to clean all around in here and all up inside here. So when you've done all your cleaning, to put it back together, it's nice and straightforward. Get the connector. We need to put the connector back into here. Just make sure you don't put it in the wrong way around. If it doesn't want to go, don't force it. So right now, that doesn't want to go that way round. So that's the wrong way. So put it this way around and gently put it in. And you can see that it will go all the way in nicely. And we need to get the spring and put it onto this part here. That little bit in here. So just put it in here like so. Like that. Put a little bit of tension on it as we put the wheel down, and the spring will stay in place. And there you go. You can see that is now in place. We're going to do the same over the other side and then do up all the screws. So I've got my connector in, get the spring, stretch it a bit, put it in there, and place that in. Right, now let's do up the screws. We're going to put the side brushes back on, so just line them up and push them down until they click, like so. And now turn it on. Hopefully you will find that your EUFY will work without strain, because you've got rid of all the hair and build up of dirt and everything around those wheels. There we go. Thanks for watching.